Another video. This is my main avatar now, and I'm playing with one of my good friends. And we are playing Animal Hospital. Why did I say it like that? Yeah, we are playing Animal Hospital. Yeah, I feel like I should make videos and then I should make shorts. Yeah, I'm gonna start doing that. Yes. Or should I do the opposite? No, I'm gonna get videos out of the way since they're longer. Okay, Okay, since I'm a tiny bit laggy because I turned off my internet by accident. Oh, holy so first patient. Well, I get to shoot the person and then. No one will know, bro. No one will know, bro. No one will know, bro. No, let's just skip this, bro. Let's just skip it, bro. Yeah, let's just skip it, bro. Let's just skip it, bro. No, put him in the trash. Put him in the tree. Yeah. Oh, we just skipped it. Wait, what? What? Oh, what? Okay, whatever. Let's check the patient. What are you doing? Like, I think we actually have to check him. So I just wasted 2. Oh my god. That was an accident, and I just wasted. Wait. I have 17 bullets. Okay, nice. See, next patient. God, I can't pay 2 instances. Get out of my face, bro. Alright. I think these patients should be normal. So like you can't cheese it. Bro. Wait, maple syrup. Did they change it or something? Bro, can you walk any faster? I switch you down with my Glock. Bro, can this patient walk any faster? Did he just close the door on me? How? I will shoot you right now. I will shoot you right now and saying you heavy. What the hell are you doing? And what the hell are you actually doing? Fever, for monitor. Wait, I think they changed it, so I don't know. What the hell are you actually doing? Now this lazy bum comes in. Okay. Oh. Okay, so you're just gonna come in for 30 seconds. Nice. All this guy does is come in for 30, basically 30 seconds and then leaves. You're so useless, bro. That's your job. How is he how is he a doctor, bro? All he does is come in, walk out, and I close the door on this guy. Okay, is that an anomaly? Oh, I'm so tired, bro. And they never knew. Get back to work, bro. Hello. Wait, what? Okay. Let me check on cameras. Okay, you seem normal. Let me just check if you're normal. Okay, you are normal. Can you hurry up, then? Yeah. Okay. Alright, go to room 2. Hello, mate. Oh! What the hell's wrong with him? Why are you tweaking it on the cameras, bro? And you're tweaking it. Bro, you think I'm letting you in? Have you looked in the mirror, bro? I'm like, has he not looked in the mirror? Like, look at him! Okay, he seems normal. I'm Sophia Black. Wait, what? Sophia Black. What the hell are these names, bro? So what if you go to school and they just call you Black? Like, because that's your name, Sophia Black. What if they just call you by your last name? Doesn't seem like an anomaly to me. Seems perfectly fine. Yeah, that's not an anomaly. Alright, get back to work, boy. I should get back to work. But you want coffee? Alright, take it and never come back. Bro is really acting like it was Starbucks, bro. Alright, new customer. Literally said new customer. As if this is Starbucks. I'm an idiot. Alright, you seem normal. Good boy. Wait, is this my first? Oh yeah, I got secret agent. What the? I'm not even gonna ask. I'm just gonna sit back and do nothing because I'm a lazy bum. Shorter videos. I get lots of views. Yeah, I'm gonna make my videos like 40 minutes now. Obviously, for Animal Hospital, I'm gonna make it a bit longer because the shifts take long as hell. Alright. I'm just gonna do nothing. 4 more minutes until my video uploads. What the hell did he just do? Well. I hate you so much. How are you even a doctor? Oh, good for me. Bro, like you really don't even help us. That's just the truth. You don't even help us. What the hell is he actually doing? No, don't you... Alright, I'm taking... I can't even get anything. Wait, I can. Oh, yeah! Oh, that's an anomaly. I know it's not alright. It's not alright. GG. What? Oh, well, look who it is. It's Ronnie Boy. Okay, can you hurry up, bro? Wait, oh, I forgot this too. Stop ringing the bloody bell before I shoot you with my gun. Stop ringing the bell! God! You want to switch both of y'all down with my blicky. Get to work. Oh, that's it. What the hell is that? Alright, now we're watching this. Don't you dirty my people. Stop ringing the bloody bell. Before I shoot. I'm going to shoot one of them if you ring the bloody bell. Don't test my anger, buddy. Don't test my anger. Don't test my anger. Don't test my anger, buddy. What the hell was that sound, though? Yeah, good boy. Alright. Wait, one visitor. Okay. Alright, hurry up, bro. What?